Y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Friends. So today we're going to give you a little something to eat after you get done with dinner. We're going to make a cream cheese Biscoff dessert. So the things that you will need are Biscoff cookies, 1 thing of cream cheese, 1 banana, toffee, caramel, chocolate, and confectionist sugar, and 2 glasses, or however many you would like to make. So first, take your pack of cream cheese. So first what we'll do is mix a little bit of sugar in. Well, a lot of it. But let's mix this up. Next, what we're going to do is pour a good amount of caramel inside and then add your bananas in, okay? Now, as you put these in, you're going to want to mush them up. Add them a little at a time so you'll know just the amount that you need. Okay, so now that you have your mixture, you always want to taste it to make sure it's the flavor that you want. It's not too sweet, or is it even sweet enough? Okay, so now when you're done, you should have scraped your bowl to get everything together, and you should look something like this. You're going to take you some cookies, put them in a bag, and crunch them up, okay? And now, let's get to it. We're going to edge the rim of the glass. Now dip it in some chocolate here. Make sure all the excess is off. And I use chocolate just to give it a different flavor. Okay. Next, we're going to do the other glass. These are just the cookies that we're going to pour into the bottom. So next, these are the crunched up cookies that I crunched up earlier. That's what we use to edge the rim, and this is what we're going to use as we layer. Okay, next, pour in your other one. Now close your bag majority of the way because you don't want to spill it everywhere. Once you get it in, shake it up to make sure it's evenly distributed across the bottom. Next, we're going to take a scoop of this delicious Okay, so once you're almost done, you should be at this point here. Layer of the cookie mixture, cream, cookie, cream, and just lightly dust the top with a little bit of cookie, okay? You don't need that much. Next, you're going to add your whipped cream. And then sprinkle a little bit of cookie. and a little bit of talkie to just top it all off. You can also drizzle your top with chocolate if you just like more chocolatey. You can do caramel if you like it more caramelly, okay? All right, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to tag us at cooking.with.friends. And let us know how you like it. Thanks for watching.
Enjoy.